Hello everyone, welcome to my channel anujjindal.in. Today we'll be taking a question from the topic Venn diagram and syllogism. This is a very important topic with aspect of the banking exams because questions from this topic are asked in a good number in the banking exams. So let's move forward and look at the questions. Now, here are some directions given which are related to the question. So first of all, pause the video for a second and read the directions very carefully because directions are very important while solving the question. Sometimes the examiner plays a trick and he changes the directions of the question. So it is very important to read the directions of the question very carefully. Otherwise you may make a mistake while solving the question. So pause the video and read the directions very carefully. Now let's move on to the question. Now here are two statements given which are followed by two conclusions. So let's read out the statements. Now the first statement says no bank is a school, and the second statement says some schools are colleges. And the conclusions given are: first, some colleges are definitely not schools. Second, all banks being colleges is a possibility. Now here with the help of each statement we will try to draw the Venn diagram. So now let's take statement 1 first, that is no bank is a school. So from no bank is a school, the Venn diagram which we can draw is these are banks and these are schools. So this is the possible Venn diagram of no bank is a school. So let's mark it number 1. Now from the second statement, that is some colleges are schools, the Venn diagrams which we can draw is this is school and this is colleges. Let's mark it number 2. Also the Venn diagram which can be drawn is there is another possibility that if this is college and inside this is schools. Now here we are taking the possibility of all schools are colleges, because when it is said some schools are colleges, we have to also take the possibility of all schools being colleges. And there can be also a third possibility, that is the third Venn diagram. If this is school and this is college, here you can see also some schools are colleges. This part will be some schools are colleges. So we have got in total 4 Venn diagrams. This is third and this is fourth. Now let's have a look at the conclusions. So the first conclusion said was some colleges are definitely not schools. Now from the fourth Venn diagram, that is this Venn diagram, if you see here all colleges are schools. So first conclusion becomes wrong, that is conclusion 1 does not follow, because in the conclusion 1 it is said some colleges are definitely not schools, but we can see here in the fourth Venn diagram that all colleges are schools. So conclusion 1 is wrong, that is conclusion 1 does not follow. Now the second conclusion is all banks being colleges is a possibility. Now if you combine Venn diagram 1 and 2, the combined Venn diagram can be combining 1 and 2. The combined Venn diagram will be, if this is school and this is college, then this can be bank. Now you can see both the statements are fulfilled here, that is some schools are colleges, also no bank is a school. So this is a correct combined Venn diagram from first and second. If you see conclusion second, now all banks being colleges is a possibility. You can see here all banks are colleges because these are banks and this is college. So all banks are being college is a possibility. So second conclusion is correct, that is conclusion 2 follows. Now according to the directions given, if only conclusion 2 follows, then we have to mark option B as the answer, that is if only conclusion second follows. So we will mark option B as the answer. You can also see clearer Venn diagrams here. No bank is a school, this is bank and this is school. So this was the first diagram which we have drawn. Now the second statement was some colleges are schools. So you can see the second, third and fourth diagram which we have drawn earlier. So these are the clearer diagrams. And then the combined diagram of first and second is this one. And thus only conclusion 2 follows. So option B is the correct answer. So if you like this lecture, you can subscribe to my channel. Also, you can join our Telegram group for regular discussions. The link for these is given below in the description. Thank you.